Active Directory recycle bin. Okay. So you all aware about normal recycle bin, right, in the system, right? So whatever you delete, it gets stored under recycle bin, right? So if you delete a file, it will store under recycle bin. You can, if you want to permanently delete, empty recycle bin. If you want to restore that file, you'll right click, go for restore. So the file will come back. Same way, now let's say I have deleted some, let's say users I have. Active Directory users and computers, right? So we already open, yeah. Now let's take example. I want to delete a user, user one. See, I deleted a user. Yes. See, it got deleted, right? So by default, you will not have your Active Directory recycle bin enabled. Okay. So it is like permanent delete. When you delete the user, it will be like a permanent delete. So how we can enable Active Directory recycle bin? So you have to use Active Directory Admin Center. You have to use Active Directory Admin Center. Now click on here IP4, your domain name. In the Active Directory Administrative Center, you can click on your domain name IP4. So now you can see here, right side we have an option, enable recycle bin. Right? Right side we have an option, enable recycle bin. So you can click this. So you can see the message. Are you sure you want to perform this action? Once recycle bin has been enabled, it cannot be disabled. See, this is very important point. Once you enable the recycle bin, you cannot disable that recycle bin. Okay, by default, when you promote your computer as a domain controller, your Active Directory recycle bin will be disabled. Okay, and once you enable the recycle bin, you cannot again set it to disable. It will be enabled only, right? So the advantage we have when you enable the recycle bin, that when you delete any objects, you can restore. It will work like same like your normal recycle bin. See, now I am enabling the recycle bin. So it says, please refresh your Active Directory Administrator Center now. ADDS has begun enabling recycle bin for this forest. Okay. So just refresh. See now, see this is grayed out. Enable recycle bin is grayed out. And you can find here one deleted object folder will be there. Under Active Directory Administrative Center, you will get here one deleted objects. Okay. Now, if let's say I'm going to delete one user. So I'll go to Active Directory users and computers. So you can see, let's take example Kunal. So I'm trying to delete Kunal user. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. See, the user is deleted from Active Directory users and computers. Even if you see, if you go to admin center, IP4 users, see, it is not there. Kunal user is not there. Jinsi is there. K. Kunal user is not there. Where I said it will be available, whatever deleted objects. So whatever deleted user accounts, it will be under deleted objects. If you go to deleted objects, here you will get that user, Kunal. Right? See, Kunal user is available. Right? Okay. So as you can see here, under deleted objects, you can able to find whatever deleted users you have done. Right? Now, if you want to restore this, you can right click on this Kunal. See, we have a restore and restore to. Right? Two options we have. So restore means by default it will restore to the same location where it was. So restore to is nothing but if you want to restore to different location, okay, then you can go for restore to, right? Restore to restore to the different location. Okay, if you want to restore to any other folder or any other location, you can use restore to, right? So suppose I want to restore it directly under, just to show you, see it was under users. Let's take example. I will put it under domain controllers. So now if you go to Active Directory users and computers, see that Kunal came under domain controllers. I can drag and drop to normal users, that also possible. See, it is under users now. So that is the advantage of your Active Directory recycle bin. Okay. So Active Directory recycle bin is to restore your deleted objects. Clear?